Hey 5th graders, today you're going to start your work with the immune system. You have already clicked on the immune system folder, and today you are working in this folder, Tuesday, May 15th. So you are currently watching this video that gives you the information and the directions so that you are successful today. Once you've watched this video, I'd like for you to scroll down and click on All About Cells Video Checkup. When you click on that, you're going to be able to see the questions for a preview. And I would like for you to read each of the questions. So you are going to do a preview. That way you know what you're on the lookout for when you're watching the video. After you've read the questions, you find the video right here. So we started at the top of the folder. If you scroll down, All About Cells. When you click on All About Cells, you can click View Full Browser. You're going to watch the video. Once you've finished watching the video, you can close that. And if you click Next, it will take you to your checkup. Once you've watched the video and answered the questions, I'd like for you to read, please. So just a reminder, you're going to preview the questions, watch the video, answer the questions. Do your best. You're only doing one attempt. One attempt. Have a good day.